And this guy comes out of fucking nowhere. I'm going after that peacock right there. I love these guys. These guys are beautiful. These little orange cichlids, man. Orange little minus. These guys are beautiful. I like to call them sun-kissed fish, like the soda. These guys are awesome. You don't mess with them, man. They got little teeth. Little daggers, man. Came right out of the depths and robbed me of my peacock. Peacock was right there. He actually just turned to look at it and bam, this guy came out of that little crack. So where'd my peacock go?
I have no idea.
Oh. He didn't just come to like protect his hole or anything. He came deep. Did you get it or no?
I did.
Yeah.
I think I stopped recording for 2 minutes. But I've recorded everything else.